Hi, Sean here from Java C Certification Training. In this video, we're going to look at valid and invalid interface and class declarations. Hope you enjoy the video. Which are legal definitions for non-nested classes and interfaces? Now, non-nested means top-level classes. Okay, you can have classes within classes, interfaces within interfaces. So the first one, static public interface foo. That would be okay if you had it in a nested interface. Can't have it as a top level one though. This one's okay, as you can imagine. Okay, it's an abstract public class foo, no problem. The protected is wrong. That'd be okay again if it was a nested. Remember, at the top level, your classes can be public, or if you don't put anything on the class, package private. Okay, same idea here with your interfaces at the top level. Final abstract, obviously that's a conflict straight away. Final and abstract is a problem because one means one thing and the other means the exact opposite. Final public class foo. That's okay. Just means that you can't extend that class, like you can't extend string in the API. So if you liked the video, please click like, and if you want further content, please subscribe. Thanks very much.